Today we have a 1956 dual Ghia convertible. As you can see, it's in excellent restored condition. There are only 117 of them manufactured. It has the might of a 5.2 liter Chrysler V8 with a Powerflite transmission. To me, it just exudes elegance. They're not only elegant, but they're usable. In the day, it's a bit of a who's who as to who owned them. It's a pretty special car. I can't wait to take this one for a ride, and it's got a record player. I believe they're called phonographs. Well, here's our cold start. It is all Chrysler, so we know it works. Everything is actually working. Windows, heater, gauges. This is really cool. If we open this, we can actually pull out a phonograph. So you can have radio
straight from the horse's mouth. For details, visit
or records. We haven't gotten the record player to work just yet, but I think the bigger problem would be that it would without a doubt skip, and we're just going to put this back because it looks that much better. So we'll see you on the road as we warm this puppy up. Well, leaving the homestead, it is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It is an extremely elegant ride, which is exceptionally modern for its era, actually. It is exceptionally restored. It has been long-term owned. Everything is working, and something that you're not going to see often. We are at operating temperatures. We are on the suburban road.
Oh Lordy, oh, in
Cantare.
Oh.
You know, there are days where you could sing a Sinatra song because he had one of these, or you can sit there and say, my name is Ricardo Montalban. This is fine Corinthian leather. Oh man, I am dating the hell out of myself. Okay. So, I will say that it's really cool because there are a hell of a lot of modern cars that aren't as smooth as this. It actually tracks really well, drives really well, smooth, lots of power, shifts well, and is beyond cool. I don't think Elvis had one of these. That Porsche does not have fine Corinthian leather. Actually, I think Elvis had a Stutz. Quite a bit different, but still exclusive. Surprisingly, it handles quite well. I think on back roads, it's fun to drive. I mean, it's not small, but it's not Bentley or Rolls big. And it doesn't float. It actually has a really good feel to the ground. A road feel, as they say. A couple more back roads here. Here, I'm going to show you in this nice little cul-de-sac, a turning circle that is pretty nice considering the size. So, we'll be back to you in a couple of minutes. We're going to jettison Jason and show you how lovely and elegant this looks from the outside as well. Jason?
Yes.
I'm going to require you to exit the vehicle now.
Sure.
So that we can do our flybys.
Sounds good to me.
right, well, as usual, I hope you all enjoyed the flybys. Now we're going to head up to the farm road and show you how well she cruises, and she does do that extremely well. So we'll get on the farm road, cruise a little bit, and take it right back to the homestead. Wash her, clean her, polish her a little bit, and put her away in the showroom.
That's the great thing about this car, you know? I would say, much like its fitted luggage, it's an amenity from a bygone era.
Wow. Aroma.
Aroma.
Aroma, aroma, aroma. Ah, dolce vita. Hey!
You gotta take the
Hey.
good with the bad.
He's nice.
It's nice.
Ciao. Ciao. Farm road it is. Okay. Heading for takeoff. Cruising about 75, and she's happy. I think Jason said it best. This is elegance from a bygone era. So I hope you enjoyed this road test. We are going to clean it up, put it away, and we welcome any questions you may have, and look forward to giving this a fine new home, fine new loving home, because it deserves it. It's rare, it's cool, and it's pretty much turnkey.
All right, we're gonna wrap this one up. Molto grazie.
Molto grazie to everybody. Buonanotte, although it's afternoon. Hey, buonasera.
Buonasera.
Buonasera. Buonasera, buonanotte. Hey, the pasta is al dente.
Volare.
Oh, that truck is big.
Grazie.
Grazie. Grazie mille.
Grazie mille. Arrivederci.
Roma.
Thanks for watching, everybody.